Hello friend, as we planned in our last video, we'll create a movePiece method here, right? So method is similar to function. So actually like the member function of an object is called method, okay? So it's kind of interchangeable here, function or method. So this is initial board. Okay, so let's create one here. Function movePiece, move movePiece from x int from x. What about let's define our own location struct so we can use that. We'll do that later maybe. From x, from, oh, what about from colon, right? It's better. From colon, the name, yeah. And from row int, makes sense, right? 2 colon int and 2 row int. No return, we don't need that. So basically we'll move, for example, from here to here, right? Let's enlarge that, right? From here, from colon is 1 here, 1 and 1. So from colon is 6, right? 6. From colon is 1. From row is 6. Then here, the destination from colon is still 1, and 2 colon is still 1, and 2 row is 5. Yeah, it's like that. So how can we do that? There's multiple ways to implement that. We'll use one way which is easier to implement and understand. Okay, so we'll remove the piece. We'll remove the original piece here in the source place, in the starting point. Okay, and then we'll insert a brand new piece into the box. Okay, so we'll do like that. Let, right, piece, we can call piece add, right? Piece add the location from colon, from row, right? Remember, this guy can be nil. You see, the return type is optional. It means it's either nil or an object of this struct. So if it's nil, so we need to do that, right? For example, if this is nil, what can we do? movePiece, maybe we just return, right? Or do nothing. Otherwise, right, we'll continue, right, with our real logic here to move a piece. And there's a good syntax provided by Xcode to do this kind of thing in a more elegant way. It's called guard let. Okay, so it will be like that. Let's rewrite it here. Guard let, you see, oh, it's here, you see, guard let, this guy. So let constant, we can, what we need is just that. So copy and remove like that. Yeah. So else return, we don't return any value, so we can just use that. And okay, so if this is nil, it means there's there's no piece, right? We are, for example, we are dragging using our mouse from an empty location, intersect on the board, right? So we simply return to nothing. So below this line of code, line 37, the piece is guaranteed to be non-nil. The piece, this guy. Okay, so we don't need like to check, because it's guaranteed. If it's nil, it will return. It returns. So otherwise, it will go below. Okay, go down. Now we'll remove this one, right? And okay, so we can do piece box dot remove a member piece. That piece will be removed, right? For example, this guy here, right, is removed, and we'll insert another one here. Okay, cannot use mute. Okay, because we are changing, right? We are, when we remove a piece from piece box, we are changing the state of this object. What object? The chessboard object. So by default, a function of struct is immutable, so we need something like that, mutating here. Okay, so let's use auto fix here. Fix, yeah, you see, mutating is added here. Now the compiler should be happy. Why is it still there? Okay, there's a lag. Now we need to insert another one, right? Piece box dot insert a new member, right? So can we enter? Oh yeah, cool. I can simply enter and opening parenthesis. Now we'll insert a new piece, right? Created based on information of existing piece and its destination location. So where is the column and the row? Of course, 2, right? 2 column 2 row. Prayer. Haha, what is the prayer? Yes, it's this guy dot prayer. Rank piece dot rank, right? When we move the piece, we don't change rank. Okay. I'm not talking about the promotion, right? We'll do that later. Yeah, when we promote a piece, the rank will be different. Okay, but for now, let's keep it simple. Image piece dot image name. Yeah, that's it. It's so simple, right? And straightforward. Now let's test it. Okay. Test it. So how to test it? Let's add another function here, like test, right? Move what? Move piece. Okay. Now same thing, we need to create a empty board, right? Empty chessboard here, initialized with all the pieces here. So if we print out the board, right? Print chessboard. Let's see. Command S to save. Yeah, now it pops up. Run it. Yeah, this is it, right? So let's move the white pawn here from 1 1 to 1 2. Okay, so we can call its method, right? Dot move piece from 1 1 to I just press the tab key to jump to the next placeholder. Okay, 1 2, right? So let's see. So this guy will disappear and another guy will appear here, right? Now let's try. Yes, it works, right? Like a charm. So now how can we use the standard way to verify the movement instead of printing out? We don't want to use our human eyes, right, to check this. We can use the assert thing. So we can assert before we move the piece. We can assert here is nil, right? After that, we can assert there's a piece there. So before we make it move, we can do XCTAssert nil. The third one, you see, nil. And this guy, what is nil? Chessboard.piece at, right? Column 1 2, right? That's our destination. 1 2 will be nil. And that's now okay. So if we, yeah, let's test it. Run this one. It should be green, right? Yeah, it's still green. It passed the test. Now what if we make a copy of this one and put it here? It will fail, right? Because after the movePiece function call, here this same place is not empty, it's occupied by this guy, right? Okay, let's try it. It will be red, yeah, and failed. Okay, so we can use non-nil here, but we can also assert something else more interesting. So like XCTAssert equal, okay, or yeah, let's try equal. So for example, the rank, let's see, chessboard.piece at 1 and 2 dot rank. It should be, what's the rank? Pawn, right? Like that. Oh, because the return type is nil, so it question mark was added here. Okay, now let's add this one, not nil here. Now test again. Cool, right? Passed. Now we can make a copy of this one. We can verify something else, like its we can do its location, but it's redundant because we already specified the location here. But let's try anyway. So like for example, row, it should be 2, right? Yeah, test it. By the way, we should be able to use Command U to run all the tests. Yeah, Command U. Okay, it should be somewhere here. Is it? Command U. Yeah, run test. Yeah, this guy. Command U. Okay. And let's try another one. Like it's prayer. Okay, so it should be white prayer, right? Now copy and dot prayer. It should be white, right? Yeah. This time let's remove this one because okay, click here. Yeah, there's no we don't output anything here, so we just check. the result. It passed. Everything is green, and it reports test passed, succeeded. Okay, cool. So now we have a reliable movePiece method. Thank you for watching. See you next time.